Welcome to Interactive Learning Solutions. All ILS courses provide personal support through an online mentor who is available through email or through an in-person facilitator, and instruction through hyperlinked animated content. The organization of the instructional materials is reflected in the top line buttons. Course opens the weekly instructional units and assignments. Examples provide an expanding, downloadable repository of basic and creative applications of the relevant technology. Be sure you visit all the examples. Resources offers additional ideas on integrating technology into the work environment and into curriculum, standards-based instruction, and assessment. Resources also leads to ideas on using the instructional materials during and after the course. Search serves as a topic index and as an alternative form of navigation. And Help provides problem-solving tips and ideas. There are two ways to navigate through course materials. The primary navigation begins with the top line button. Clicking Courses, for instance, brings the weekly instructional segments into the lower left frame. Clicking a weekly unit opens the week's topics. When you click the topic itself, the content is brought into the right frame. Observe how the primary navigation buttons themselves remain highlighted, helping you stay oriented. Content pages and internal links are alphanumerically coded, helpful if you work from print. Course pages start with numbers, examples with an E, supplemental resource information with an R, and so on. Within the pages there are step-by-step instructions and plentiful illustrations. Possibly unfamiliar terms are presented in alternate type and linked to an online glossary. When working with the content itself, you can either scroll through the page or use the top of content links to skip to a subtopic directly. Use your internet browser back arrow to quickly return to page top. That is, you return to the previous link. Also within the pages, you can click links to supporting information. Note, however, when navigating internally, primary exterior navigation remains stationary, reminding you of the calling page. Return to the initial page using the internet browser back arrow. Animations such as this are included throughout the course and present general information about a topic or a procedure. Animations have a clickable table of contents and play/replay buttons. The sound quality of the initial animation depends on the speed of your internet connection. You may need to play an animation a second time to improve the sound quality. Pages with links to animations are indicated by a red AN in the left margin. Animations are also listed under Resources and within the search. Clicking Search provides alternative access to topics. In this complex, hyperlinked environment, locate a topic by clicking top-line letters or by scrolling to the topic. Click the topic link to bring the page into the lower window. On content pages with multiple topics, locate your topic either by scrolling through the page or by clicking the topic of interest in the top area. As you work through the course, you may choose to click between the course and the Microsoft application, or you can click and drag window borders until both the course and the application can be viewed at the same time. Or you may prefer to work from print if your internet connection is slow, or if you want materials to use later. All major course sections contain Print All buttons that compile the pages in the unit or section. Before you can print any materials, though, you must click into the area that contains the text, and then click File Print on your internet browser. Please take time to learn about all the features under Course First Steps. We look forward to having you join us.